when Rocco it was trading around $55, $56. If you start with playing the video, okay, this video is available on YouTube. And it explains how you are going to make $1 million minimum, okay? So the title is very explicit because this appears on YouTube. And unlike scammers on the web, the difference here is that we make it happen. We have been doing so for 30 years, 3 decades. Others, they open companies in one day. Within months or 1 year, they close doors. We have been here for 30 years, making it happen, okay? You have here the reviews. We have thousands of reviews during our existence in the markets. So as of today, when we wrote this guarantees $10 million profit to investors, and we did it in the case of Rocco, we did it for free in the case of Twitter. As of today, when you go to the most recent article on Rocco, the share price is trading at $96. Do you comprehend the difference between our work versus the rest of the industry? When we reiterated the strong buy rating in Rocco, Wall Street was downgrading the stock. No one had price targets as of today, $100, $110, whatever. No one. We were the only and the first company in the world, in fact, posting this information, giving this information to existing subscribers with regards to how much Wall Street analysts they were going to upgrade Rocco to. So, for example, this week when on Friday there was a Wall Street analyst upgrading shares to $110, in fact, subscribers, they already knew about it. They already knew about it more than 10 days ago with regards to this matter, okay? So the bot, those that they were subscribers, the major competitive advantage is that they received all this information in advance, okay? And by receiving this information in advance, that is the public, they acquired a major competitive advantage because it allowed them to buy even more shares of Rocco at precise the bottom and adding to the long side, because in the end it is position sizing that dictates the magnitude of your profit or loss. In this case, since we said $10 million are going to be guaranteed in your account, obviously depending on the size of the account itself, you have it here, Rocco, $96, okay? Period. This mathematically proven, the Rocco new all-time highs, $96. All those scammers that they've been saying, you know, Rocco, or those retail investors that they had 100 shares of Rocco or 1,000 shares of Rocco, my friends, those are scammers, okay? All that material that you see on the web, on YouTube, on Twitter, all those are scammers, okay? We have a strong buy rating in Rocco since $19. We never missed one single forecast or price prediction in Rocco since IPO, okay? And all these has been available in real time. We published all these case studies. So as of today, those that they invested according to our instructions, they have the highest return on investment in the markets, while others, precisely the case that we addressed here, not only in Rocco as well as many other companies, Citron Research and Americans, they were left bankrupt. You have here, my friends, if you click here, you see the difference. Rocco, in January 2019, this company said, this company, Rocco, is uninvestable. This is what this company said, okay? And basically all of them, they had the same view about Rocco and many other companies in the stock market. Meanwhile, this article also addresses other case studies, so we can publish case studies every single day. You have it here, the case of Foot Locker, a company that meanwhile the share price collapsed. When the share price was trading at $61, I said you are going to sell Foot Locker because the upside on Foot Locker, it is limited around $63, okay? And in fact, this information, it has been posted for a long period of time on the blog of the company. It is 100% free. This is the reason why you see it there, 100% free, okay? So you see it here in real time. How much is Foot Locker worth as of today? As of today, Foot Locker is worth precisely this price, $43.70. This represents, on top of the profits obtained investing in Rocco, subscribers, they bet on the collapse, short selling, Foot Locker together with myself. So we put the money where our mouth is. The rest of the industry does not matter because they do not create anything whatsoever. So they upgrade stocks after the fact, they downgrade after the fact. Therefore, no value whatsoever, while we create markets history in advance. Okay? That is the difference. And therefore, congratulations to everyone. Thank you very much.